Hey guys, this is Zaman from PowerPoint School and welcome back to another new video. This video is not about a tutorial, but I'm making this video to say thank you. It has been a few days that we have crossed 500,000 subscribers, which we can say a 500,000. So for this specific occasion, I have created a very attractive drag and drop ready template for you guys. As always, you can download this template for free as it is a drag and drop ready template which is very easy to edit. But still, in my next video, I will show you how you can easily edit this template. So check the description of this video, I will provide the download link there, or you can go to our website which is powerpointschool.com. Again, thank you so much for supporting me. Now you can enjoy the slideshow. I'll see you in the next video with a PowerPoint tutorial.